Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and isolating the keypad so you don't short anything. This protects the electronics. Warm the sticker edge with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften the adhesive because heat reduces tackiness and makes lifting easier. Once warm, use a fingernail or a plastic card to lift a corner slowly. Make sure to maintain steady, low-angle pressure so the sticker peels without tearing. If it resists, reapply heat rather than forcing it to avoid damaging keys. Once the bulk sticker is gone, tackle adhesive residue by applying solvent to the cloth instead of pouring it on the keypad. This prevents liquid ingress. Wipe gently across the key surface and use cotton swabs for tight gaps. This removes tack without pushing fluid into contacts. If residue is thick, reheat briefly to soften adhesive, then wipe again, because heat plus solvent is more effective together. Make sure you work in small sections and check tactile feedback as you clean to avoid oversaturating any area. Finish by removing any solvent traces with a slightly damp microfiber cloth, then dry thoroughly. You want zero moisture before reconnecting power so contacts don't short. Once dry, test each key, and if needed, repeat targeted solvent and heat cycles on stubborn spots. To prevent repeat work, fit a removable protective film or keep stickers off sensitive areas. If adhesive persists, apply 90% isopropyl with a swab and lift slowly. Do not use metal tools that could scratch or pierce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.